Quick market update for 7/16, and I should have just waited to start because I ended up adding to the trade, and this is the $100 to $10,000 challenge, and we are currently at $2,600 right now. I ended up getting stopped out yesterday down here because I had my stop right around what was it? It was 3,420-ish, and now I'm actually back into a trade at 3,430 because of what I'm seeing going on here. And we'll just speak of ETH for a second here. If you've been following me, you know that a broadening wedge in an uptrend usually breaks to the upside. It in fact has. We broke out, then we retraced back, and now boom, we could potentially be heading up to my original price targets, about the $3,700. And truthfully, it should be more around this range between 39 and 27 because we've got the volume profile here showing so. So right now, trade is doing good, $140. Reason why I'm down $2 for the day on this small account is because leverage costs money. And this is a $25,000 trade, and I'm only borrowing, I'm borrowing a lot of money because its trade is only 681. My stop loss is relatively close to break even because if this thing starts tanking downwards, I want to get out of it quickly and catch the bottom, especially if it goes down here and we end up getting a bounce off of this 3,100-ish level where the red line is. But if I look at Bitcoin has been doing fairly decent because we had the massive run up, and then now we've got somewhat of a spinning top. And boom, there's an entry signal right there. The stop loss should be below around 62,400. So if you're going to trade something like this, you need to make sure that you have a less leverage because it's going to be difficult to borrow that much money and have that. Back to ETH real quick because I wanted to say something. This is relatively a hanging man candle, which when it comes in on an uptrend, it's a reversal. So you're more or less waiting for something to tank. So right now, got to be very careful if that in fact happens. But if this level ends up becoming support, great. It's not a bearish reversal because it has now been ixnayed, but we will see. And as of right now, trade is 170, 174. Should probably move the stop loss. We'll do that exactly because that's enough. It's $4. That'll be enough to cover what it's going to cost to close the trade. If maybe lose $2 or $3, which that would be okay for here. But things are looking good. And why am I so bullish? Okay, because of the bottom here, and then also we've got the ETH ETF next Tuesday is when it's going to officially launch. And what do I suspect is going to happen to the prices of these guys, especially ETH and Bitcoin? Well, we're probably going to get close to that 3,700, 3,900 level. And then from here, probably tank again once it starts being able to trade. It's just buy the rumor, sell the news type of a thing. And right now, this is just an influx of buy the effing rumor right now. So this is Johnny Crypto here to help you guys make some dollars.